Today I'm sharing more than just a recipe. I'm sharing a piece of my soul. This is a story of my beloved chili recipe, a culinary tribute to my mom, a remarkable woman whose memory warms my heart, especially now as we approach the new year. My mom's kitchen was a place of wonder, her cooking a language of love. As a little girl, I'd watch fascinated as she danced around the kitchen, her hands crafting flavors that could only be described as a warm embrace. She believed that cooking wasn't just about feeding people, it was about touching hearts, creating bonds that lasted a lifetime. Remember, she would say with a smile, food is the melody to which our memories dance. Now each time I prepare this chili, I'm transported back to those cherished moments with her. The chopping of onions, the simmering pot, the blend of spices. It's a ritual that brings her presence to life in my kitchen. Her laughter seems to echo with each stir, her wisdom in every taste. The chili has become more than a dish, it's a vessel of her love, a reminder of this beautiful moment we shared. As we step into the new year, this chili represents more than nostalgia. It's a call to kindness, to warmth, to sharing love in the simplest of ways. It embodies my mom's spirit, her generosity, her passion for bringing people together. She may no longer be with us, but her legacy lives on in every meal I share, in every heart I touch through the magic of food. Through her, I found my calling to spread joy through cooking, to connect with people across the world in the universal language of food. It's a journey that brought me closer to each of you. Every follow, every like, every comment on my videos has been a step in this journey of love and shared memories. So as I share this chili recipe with you, it's not just a dish, it's an invitation to remember the love we've experienced, to cherish those who have touched our lives, and to carry their spirit into the future with acts of kindness. Let's make this new year a time of warmth, of giving, of remembering those special to us. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for being a part of this journey, for every moment you've shared with me, for every story I've created in this kitchen. Thank you. Let's continue to cook, share, and love. Here's to a new year filled with delicious moments and cherished memories. From my family to yours. Happy New Year.